Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Now guys, I'm gonna make a little bit of red pea soup, alright? And I have some peas here. I wash it and I soak it, alright? So we're gonna pour it in here. Alright. Sprinkle some salt in this if you want something to do. Boy, I turn off my light. We're gonna put a little bit of salt. Put more. About a teaspoon for now. Alright. Alright guys, I have some garlic. I'm gonna put it in. Boy, put a few pimento grain. You gotta put some in your hand first. I'm teaching the boy how to make. Alright, that's too much pimento grain. Show them the amount where they put. You don't want more 7 grain. That's too much. You have to understand. That's too much. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, that's good. Okay, we put in some pimento grain.
About 7.
Put 2 more. Alright, that will do. Alright, and then guys, we're gonna put about a teaspoon of olive oil, extra virgin, because I'm not using any butter in it. So I'm gonna just let this come to a boil. When this come to a boil, the peas and everything gonna rise to the top. So in order to sink the peas, you gotta throw some cold water in it, and then the peas sink, and then we're gonna pressure it. Okay. Alright guys, so once it starts to boil, guys, these are not real Jamaican red peas. These are just the red peas them have up here. It's a red kidney bean, but you know. Anyhow, we're gonna put some water in it. I'm gonna put about 2 cups so we sink the peas. Alright, you see peas then gone to the bottom. And now we're gonna pressure it for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. After about 35-40 minutes, the peas, they are cooked. And how you can tell them cook, guys, you see them a break apart already. Can you see that? And when you squeeze it, mash out. And a soup me I make, so I want everything to cook and mash out. Now my peeps, we're gonna add some water to it now. I'm gonna go in with about 4 cups of water. Let's put 6. If you have beef and any kind of hard meat where you pressure turkey neck, you would put it with the peas. Okay, I have some chicken, some drumstick and some chicken neck. All right, and we're gonna put this in there to boil as well. And you know these won't take long to boil, right? At the same time, I'm gonna put my corns. I'm just gonna put 1 stalk of scallion now for flavor. Let it go and simmer down. So over here guys, I have 1 carrot, I have some sweet potato. These are some baby sweet potato, 1 cocoa, and a piece of yam. The packed coconut, the one that looks creamy. But anyhow, I'm going to add some of this coconut milk powder. I have about 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to put some in. I like my my red pea soup to have a little bit of coconut milk. Alright, and I'm gonna add it to it so it can boil. Not much. You can add about, say, half can if you have at home, or maybe 1/4 or half block of that coconut cream. Alright, we're gonna let that boil. Alright guys, can you see the goodness there, guys? Now I went ahead and I peeled my cocoa and my Irish potato. I rinsed them off, and I'm gonna put that in. 1.5 cups of flour and about 1 cup of cornmeal. And I have some warm water. All right, and I put some salt. So go ahead and mix this up together like that, guys. And you want the water as warm as you can take it. All right. Guys, I'm gonna give you a little joke. When my husband is making dumpling, it's always so tough when it finishes. I told him he has to make it with passion and love. I said, you see, that's like how you treat your wife. I said you must treat the cornmeal dumpling with lots of tender and care. So funny, guys. Because bean dumpling them never come out tight, like tight teeth. pop out your false teeth, guys. Or anyhow, you have to just know the amount of liquid. Don't make it too tough. Don't start off tough. Better you start off a little soft and then you make it to how you want it. But if you start off tough, boy, it can't come soft. I'm just gonna let it sit for like 2 minutes and then we're gonna put it in the pot. I have 1 carrot here. I washed it already, but when you wash it, when you scrape it and put it down, it starts to get dark. So just go ahead and cut it up in some thin strips. I'm just gonna put this over here. And then this is my yam. I think it's a piece of renta yam, guys. But then come like then sell it with the head and all. So let's cut off that part. And I'm gonna peel it and then I'm gonna wash it or rinse it off. Yeah, it looks like a piece of yellow renta yam. Or white yam. Anyhow you wanna call it, guys. I was trying to get piece of yellow yam, but why the yam is so expensive. But anyhow, we're making some soup today. Alright guys, let's cut up the yam. You see the goodness here, guys? Now we're gonna put the yams and my carrot. I have some okra, optional. I'm gonna put about a cup. That will do. Gonna give it the slime and the gumption. Woo! Strong back soup this year, you know, guys. Yes. All right. Let this come to a boil and then I'm gonna put my dumplings and after I season it up. All right, guys. Look at my pot. Boy, if you're Jamaican and don't know about this, then I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna start seasoning it up here, you know, guys. Yeah. Now we're gonna put some cornmeal dumpling in it. All right. And you see how my dumplings soft. Look at that, guys. And a cornmeal dumpling. All right. I like to do it like this sometimes, and then I'm gonna break off a little piece. You can make your dumpling big or small, and I'm gonna knead it. Look how nice and neat they are. Squeeze the middle like that, flatten it out, set it there. Doing one more. I don't like them too big in my soup. Big dumpling not in a soup, guys. Big dumpling for eat when you eat some ackee and saltfish or some brown stew chicken. But when you cook soup, you cook some small dumplings. And I'm gonna also make some roll-ups. So you just knead the flour together and you roll it up. All right. And the last one gotta be a little roll up. There you go, guys. There you go. Always when you put your dumpling in the pot, give it a little stir so them not stick together. Alright. Guys, every time I say I make whole heap of soup, I end up make one whole pot. And everything start to cook already. Now my peeps, I have my blended season here. I will leave a link and I'm gonna put like a tablespoon. Onion, garlic, pimento, scallion, thyme, cilantro, parsley, garlic, like lots of stuff in this, guys. Scallion, I will leave a link to it. All right, all purpose green season. You beat it, all right, and you're gonna put it over here. Beat your scallion, that's the next step. If you have the green thyme, you can put some, but I have some dry thyme leaves, and I'm gonna put just a little bit. I'm gonna put 1 Maggi cubes. I just like the flavor, the vegetable cubes or veggie stock, and I'm just gonna break it in it. And I have 2 gray spicy cock soup. I like to sprinkle it like this so it don't stick and clump up together. And I always stir one first, okay? Don't put 2 of them in the one time. This is gonna help to give it a body too. It's gonna be also good with a little bit of coconut milk in there, guys. Oh my gosh. Look for meat. For food. Alright guys, I'm not gonna put no more salt into this now. I'm gonna just let it come down to goodness. My brother would say don't make the soup run go gully, so we're gonna make it have some body. You see watery, guys? You want some body. Here I have a pack of mixture that comes in the like the noodle mix. Alright guys, and this one is beef, pig's tail, turkey neck, beef bone, one little piece of beef to make it have that flavor. Alright, but I don't have any of that, so I'm gonna put one pack of this in it. And even if you're making chicken soup, you can use one pack of this chicken base. Guys, this is the secret. If you watch the video, you will know this is one of the secret. You're gonna add so good flavor to it. Okay guys, and you just need one pack. So this is it. We're gonna let this simmer down now. Okra in the tuna, guys, strong back. One thing you won't forget, your scotch bonnet pepper. All right, I'm not gonna burst it, I'm just gonna get the flavor from it. If you want it spicy, you can burst it. Catch it pata bubble. Oh guys, I put a few more okra in there. All right, we're gonna let this, guys, once you see the dumpling them start float to the top, you know so them ready. So we're just gonna let this simmer down some more. Make it look like a rich Jamaican red pea soup. Guys, you see all my peas them mash out? Where you find some? They mash out. All right, let this simmer down for another 15-20 minutes. Make all the Irish and the yam mash out and give it some body. Strong back. Let me taste it. Oh, perfect. No salt. That's good. All right, guys, this is it. Oops. And the soup is ready. All right, I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes and then we're gonna share out some. Me now wait no longer. See soup there? Okra soup, this, guys. Whoo, gumption, stamina. All right, look there, guys. Let's serve up some. And we're gonna get a piece of the chicken neck. Where is it? Mash out. Oh, we're gonna put the pepper here too. I'm gonna put a little piece of corn at the side. Ooh, full over. Ooh, full over. Me think full, but see it? See how rich and nice everything mash out. Everything thick. Yes, so you want it. Alright, my peeps, and this is it. Alright, this is my good old Jamaican red pea soup. Yes, I can't wait to dive down in it. I'm gonna go out back and I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna eat it. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys. Alright guys, we're giving God thanks. Thank you Lord and bless the hand for this little food I meant, and those who don't have, bless them and keep them, provide for them, provide for your people, and forgive us for our sins. In your name I pray, amen. So guys, I put some pepper in it. So thick and nice. This is just a little teaser, guys. I'm not doing no mukbang. Oh my god, you see slime? Strong back right here. I'm in love with soup when it's hot. Oh my goodness. And I put some hot pepper in it.